Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this June month you are going to start your study of English. And before starting study of English, you have to learn or you have to see that what is the format of question paper. And when you observe question paper, you get ideas to get good marks. Then start. This is our question paper of 10th standard board question paper. This is board question paper of year 2020, March 2020. We have to write here seat number and English. This is for our first language. We learning as a first language, and this paper is for 80 marks, and there is time 3 hours. And our question paper is now called as activity sheet. Let us start. There section 1. Section 1 is about language study. Let us see the first question. Question number 1. Do as directed any four. Means you have given the instructions here and you have to you have to do as direction of given in question. Then first question is write two compound words of your own. You have to write compound words. This question is compulsory. Come here as a first, and 1 mark is given to this question. Then if you write two compound words without spelling mistakes, you will get 1 mark. Then question number 2, find out the gerund from the following sentence. Speak out the gerund from the following sentence. Here the sentence is given and you have to find the gerund from this uh, sentence, and you will get 1 mark for that. And I am going to tell you gerund. You can note this gerund and infinitive are the very important topics in this question paper. This question asks for 1 mark. Sometime here they ask infinitive, so you have to learn gerund and infinitive. Question number 3, punctuate the following for 1 marks. They give us a sentence and we have to use punctuation mark in these sentences. Form two present participles in English with last letter doubled. Present participle and past participle. Present participle means sitting. You have to write in which last letter is doubled. Here last letter T is doubled here while writing present participle. You can write digging. G is doubled here. Like this you have to solve these questions. And here is this is present participle. In question papers there is also past participle also you have to write. So you learn how to write present participle and how to write past participle, and read all these present and past participles. And this question number 5 is very important and very easy. Here this question gives us total of marks. You have to make word chain. Here examine, make chain of verbs. You have to make chain of verbs. You have here examine, then you can make eat, last letter tell, tell. Like this last letter look, look. Look, in Marathi or Hindi we called it antakshari. Like this you have to write this. Here they will ask us verbs, adjectives, nouns also. So you have to remember two verbs with each letter from A to Z. I have uploaded video on this topic. I have given five adjectives, 5 verbs of each letter, starting with each letter from A to Z. So you can watch that video. Then question number A2, do as directed, any two. Change the following sentence into indirect speech. This question is for 2 marks. So you have to focus on indirect speech. If you miss something in this, you will lose your 2 marks. Focus on indirect speech. Next question, make sentences of your own to show the differences in homophones. Do you know homophones? Homophones means pronunciation is same but spelling and meanings are different of this word. Here fit means our legs, and this fit, these spellings of these number words is not a same but their pronunciation is same and meaning also different, and we have to make sentences using your own. You have to use this word in a sentence and this word also in sentence, and you will get 2 marks. The third question is on rewrite the sentence in present perfect tense. They have given a sentence and we have to convert into present perfect tense. Friends, we have to learn 12 tense. How many tense? 12. Simple, continuous tenses, perfect tenses, and perfect continuous tenses. And this question is for 2 marks. Don't miss the chance to get 2 marks. Only learn present perfect tense. Only learn 12 types of tenses. Here I am telling some important topics. You note down your notebook and focus on them and study them. Then next question is, do as directed. Anyone begin the sentence with no sooner. Here the as soon as the sentence has started with as soon as, and you have to start or begin the sentence with no sooner. You have to learn the rules of no sooner and as soon as. Many times they ask questions to us on this topic. Then you have to learn positive and comparative degree also. Here they we have given the question in a sentence, and we have to change the sentence into positive degree and comparative degree. The points that I told you, you focus on that point and study them for grammar, structural grammar. And the second part is the textual messages, textual passages for reading skill, vocabulary, and grammar. One passage is for 10 marks. In this passage, here question asked on the passage, we have to classify the information given in the passage, or to write in the form of table after reading the passage. Here you have to read complete passage and you have to tell agree, disagree with the following statements. Like that you have to solve this. Next question, we have given here puzzle based on the passage, from the passage referring to the clues are given here, and you have to complete this puzzle using these clues. The do as directed, here do as directed question is based on grammar or structural grammar. Identify the subordinate clause. We have to learn clauses also. In each paper there is a question on the clause. Learn clause, main clause, subordinate clause, types of clauses you have to learn. Next, this question, the hermit listened to the king but said nothing. Rewrite the sentence and begin with though. We have to begin with this sentence though, but so for that you have to learn these topics though and although. Grammar will give you 10 marks. If you study grammar you will not lose the 2 marks. Next question, whom do you consider your guide when you are difficulty? Why? This is personal response questions, and this question is for 2 marks. You have to write answer minimum in 4 sentences, and you cannot find answer of this personal response question in the passage. You have to write your own answer. Then passage number 2b, read the following passage and complete the activities. This is also for 10 marks. Which state does not Mary Kom belong to? Here MCQs are given, and this MCQ we can solve after reading passage. And this passage is also vocabulary. Find out one word for the following passage. We have to find the meaning or for the word alternating these numbers, alternating these words or these phrases. We have to find this from the passage. Second question needs do as directed. This question is based on grammar. I have told you to learn gerund and infinitive. Gerund and infinitive are very important topics. Rewrite as an exclamatory sentence. We have to learn assertives, how to convert sentence into exclamatory sentence, assertive sentence into exclamatory sentence, or exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence. And this question is personal response question. Sports are important in our life. Elaborate. You have to write this your personally or personal response. Section 3 is poetry. Read the following extract and do the given activities. Some activities have given here that are based on poem. Here look at this question. Speak out 2 lines from the extract to indicate humor. For this you have to learn whole poem, and you have to understand the meaning of question. And the 3 question, write 2 pairs of rhyming words. This is very easy question. Rhyming words give you 1 mark. And this question is for appreciation of poem, and appreciation of poem is 5 marks. You will get full marks for this poem. How to get good marks in this poem appreciation? There is a question, the title and the poet of the poem. Title is given at the start or at the beginning of the poem, and you have given the author poet here. And when you will write both names of title and poet, you will get 1 mark. You have to write AB scheme, rhyme scheme, like AB, AC, like this. You have to read poem, you have to write rhyming words, and then by reading rhyming words you can understand what is rhyming scheme. This is also important, very important topic, figures of speech. This is for 1 mark, and you have to learn figures of speech from your grammar book. And while reading any poem you will find figures of speech in this poem. And while reading, after reading poem, you will get the idea, central idea or the theme of the poem. This is for 2 marks, and you have to write 4 to 5 lines, 4 to 5 sentences as an answer of this central idea. This section 4, non-textual passage, same as but non-textual means these passages are not found in our textbook. And this question on this passage are based on same as first we have seen that 2 passages like that, but this is non-textual means out of textbook passage. We have here like write the answers of this question like this by reading poem. And passage for adverbs, pick out 2 adverbs from the given passages. This is based on parts of speech. You first learn parts of speech. parts of speech. I write the root word of for the following. Here utilization is a noun, entertainment. This root word means main word, utilize. Like this, entertainment, root word is entertain. Like that you can solve this. Parts of speech, you must see parts of speech. And here do as directed, not only but also. Very easy part. Therefore make sentences assertive. This is do not allow the time to flow. This question you have to convert in assertive sentence. So you have to learn types of sentences, interrogative sentence, assertive sentence, exclamatory sentence. Learn types of tenses. Here is the personal response question. You have to justify your answer or justify your opinion. Then section 5, writing skills. They ask us to write both any one letter from the both given formal and informal letter. We have to practice the letters. Later give you 5 marks. So don't forget to write a letter or forget to learn how to write a letter. And this question 6a, information transfer. The first question is verbal to non-verbal. Verbal to non-verbal means convert the information from the passage into the charts or tables. Like this. Here this is the passage we have given here, and here from the passage we have to complete table, and this will give us 5 marks. How many marks? 5 marks. It is easy to transfer from verbal to non-verbal. Non-verbal to verbal, we have to write from the passage or chart. We have to write paragraph like this figure we have given here, and from this figure, from this chart, we have to they convert this information into the passage. This is called non-verbal to verbal. But verbal to non-verbal saves your time and give you marks. Verbal to non-verbal, from passage to the chart. The next question is speech writing. Prepare a speech to be believed on 15th October, reading inspiration day in our school. And they give us clues or some points. And speech writing is for 5 marks. Then interview questions. Write your counter view on internet on the topic internet will soon replace books. You have to write counter view means your opinions using these points. Section 6 is creative writing. In creative writing, you have to expand the theme. In question paper, we have given there some things or some thoughts, and we have to expand them by giving examples or by writing into the paragraph. This is for 5 marks. The next question is news report. We have to write news report from the given topic. Sweeper's daughter score 96% in the class, means class 12, means we have to write the report or news like on this topic. There is story writing from the given topic or from the given points or from the given clues, or narrate the experience 18 to 100 words with the following ending. Give a suitable title. I promise myself to work hard in order. We have to start the paragraph from this subject, from this ending, and we have to write in 18 to 100 marks. This question is for 5 marks.